Bulldozer. Drag the part to its place. Move the part to the right place. Move the part to the right place. Amazing! It's time to fuel. Bulldozer. Insert the refueling gun of the right color into the tank. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Everything for the digging machine. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's fix the rusting. Drag the grinding tool over the stain and it will clean the rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Drag the paint gun over the stain to paint it over. Amazing! Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Move the vehicle onto its place. Keep up the good work.